Hello friends, now to solve this expression we follow the Bodmas rule. Bodmas rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket O. O stands for how we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this Bodmas sequence, we break it down this expression by this step-by-step solution. Now first step, brackets. Innermost first, we start with the parenthesis and there is a 12 minus 4 parenthesis inside the square bracket. So now we calculate and after we get 8. According to this step, the Bodmas says always solve the innermost grouping symbols first to simplify the term inside. So now the expression becomes 150 divided by 5 multiplied by 2 minus square bracket 40 minus divided two brackets, outer brackets. Next we solve the operations remaining inside the square brackets. There is 40 divided by 8. So now answer is 5. According to this step, we must completely clear all the brackets terms before moving to the exponents or a basic operation outside. So now the expression becomes 150 divided by 5 multiplied by 2 minus square bracket 5 power square. So now third step says orders and exponents powers. We address the powers 5 square and we solve 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. According to this step, orders are the second priority in Bodmas and we must evaluate powers before performing basic arithmetics like multiplication or a subtraction. So now the expression becomes 150 divided by 5 multiplied by 2 minus 2. Calculate division and multiplication from left to right. We perform division and multiplication in the order they appear from left to right. First, we divide the values 150 divided by 5 equals to 30. The multiplication 30 multiplied by 2 equals to 60. According to division and multiplication hold the same rank. So we simply process them moving from left side of the equation to the right. So now the equation becomes 60 minus 25 and finally we subtract. We perform the last remaining operation which is subtraction and after we get 35 is the final result. Subtraction is the final step in the expression according to the Bodmas hierarchy. Conclusion says by strictly following the order of operations we ensured that the group termed and exponents were simplified first, preventing calculation errors. The final result of this expression is 35 and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.